Na watoto wetu. It is enough. The abductions are enough. We cannot continue cheering you. The abductions are enough. I want to tell our judiciary that the rule of law is better than the rule of man. Whatever you do, whatever ruling you make sure you are disciples of the rule of man, and you are the disciples of the rule of law, and you are not slaves of phone calls from any quarters. A judiciary and the curricular, and I want to tell all our judges, right from magistrates, all the way, even chairman of tribunals, all the way to the Supreme Court judges, go and read the curricular report of 2008-2009. Go and read that report and see what the South African curricular is telling Kenyans. That when people lose confidence in their institutions, those institutions are impeached. So as you celebrate as judiciary and the members of National Assembly and those who want Gachagua to go home, as you celebrate the impeachment of Gachagua, remember that the way the courts have handled themselves over this issue, they have impeached themselves. And if you are doubting me, go to any social media outlet and see what Kenyans are saying. Top lawyers, even the lawyers that have been associated with this government, including Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, is telling the judiciary that the way you have handled the Gachagua thing is not what we expect of the judiciary in the 2010 constitution. We fought for this constitution. Some of us have bodily injuries from fighting for this constitution, and we cry and our hearts bleed when we see you failing to uphold the constitution of Kenya 2010, and you want to return to Kenya to the rule of man. And not celebrating because your party leaders have joined the government. And they joined the government without policies that favor you. They promised you in the campaigns that they will give you 6,000 each.
Without shares.
They will give you 6,000 each. And now all their members. Yeah. And now they are controlling treasury. They have kept quiet on the 6,000 profit. Their people are in treasury. Their people are in the Ministry of Energy. Kenya Power and Lighting made a profit of 30 billion. We were told that to give Kenyans 6,000 each will only cost us 15 billion. Then if Kenya Power made 30 billion, so you throw your 15 billion and give 6,000 each, the way you promised at the campaign. You don't join government and sacrifice all your belief. You have been told here that our community has suffered since 1963. Now you are in government. Can you correct those ills? Don't wait for another person to correct them. As we are crying for the children dying now, not those ones of 1963. Now that you're in government, compensate parents of those children who died in 1963.
You are lying.
Now that you're in government. As we are complaining about children dying today, and the children like you who will die tomorrow. Because this government is not respecting children. That is what...
Okay. We need peace. We are talking about peace. Niko hapa kama mzee naongea amani. Na kama huna haja na amani, sisi hata maombi tunaomba ya amani. Na jambo la kwanza kabla sijaendelea, hapa tuko na speaker gangari kwa sababu speaker tuko naye hapa anaongea mambo ya amani. Hapa tulipo kwenye kikao tunataka amani. Wewe unakuja hapa tunataka amani. Na kama una hasira zako peleka nyumbani kwa amani. Kwa hivyo leo
omba kamera inaenda.
Shauri yako ya
kamera inaenda.
Order hiyo Kenya.
Mimi ni mzee. Kwa hivyo sasa we need this. Na hii boma ya Jivanji. If you don't know, na kama umekuja jana, sisi ni waanzilishi hapa.
Correct.
Na tuko na haki hapa. Na tuko na alama hapa. Na tuko na matone ya damu hapa. Na tuko na machungu ya damu hapa. Na demokrasia ambayo tunajivunia hivi leo. Nikivaa hii style ambayo inasema Mungu nguvu yetu. Ilete baraka kwetu. Haki wengine na mlinzi.
Tunasuka na udugu.
Hiyo ingine umemalizia.
Hapo sawa.
Sasa tukisema hapo, ili hii nchi tuweza kufanikiwa na tuweza kusonga mbele, Sisi kama Mau Mau, leo taongea kama Mau Mau. Sisi kama Mau Mau, hii katiba ya 2010 tulikuwa tumeikataa. Tulikuwa tumeungana na hawa watu wa dini wa makanisa. Na huyu rais